Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce with a golden balance. Achieving this balance means creating a sauce that is both incredibly flavorful and wonderfully smooth, without being too thick or too thin. We'll focus on the three fundamental ingredients: butter, flour, and milk. Understanding their roles and proportions is key to mastering this versatile culinary staple, ensuring your sauce is always perfect for any dish. The secret to a great white sauce starts with a perfectly cooked roux. You'll want to use equal parts butter and all-purpose flour. For example, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour. Cook this mixture over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This process cooks out the raw flour taste and develops a lovely, nutty aroma, forming the essential base for your sauce. Now it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in about 2 cups of cold milk, a little at a time, while continuously whisking. This gradual addition and constant stirring are crucial for preventing lumps and achieving that desirable silky smooth texture. Once all the milk is incorporated, bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Don't forget to season it with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for depth. To achieve that golden balance, your white sauce should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, but still pourable, not pasty. Let it simmer for a few more minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. Always taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps a little more salt or pepper. This perfectly balanced white sauce is incredibly versatile, ideal for enriching pasta dishes, drizzling over steamed vegetables, or serving as a creamy base for gratins and casseroles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.